Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. As you all know, my name is Mungai Kihara. Today we are in Fivestar Estate Phase 3 in South Sea. This is an estate of 49 units containing 3, 4 and 5 bedroom villas, and the print area starts from 1,600 square feet for the 3 bedrooms to 2,600 square feet for the 5 bedroom. The prices start from 22.5 million. Let's get inside and I'll show you the show house. From the entrance, you are welcomed by the living room of this home. As you can see, the space is big enough to fit a 6-seater to an 8-seater couch. This living room comes with some vintage lighting that makes it look very beautiful. During the day, you will get maximum natural light from this massive window, and this window will also give you an indoor-outdoor environment. This wall will act as the focal point of this home, and that automatically means that this is where you will do your electronics. All the homes in this estate adopt the open floor plan method. That means that the dining area is connected to the living room and also to the kitchen. This dining area is big enough to fit a table set of 6 people, but you still have a massive space, so if you want to do a bigger table, you are welcome. The dining area comes with this floor to ceiling window that also acts as the access to the front yard. From here, you'll get a very good breeze as you enjoy your meals. Before I show you the connection between the dining area and the kitchen, just have a look at these light fixtures. They are very inviting. As I said, the dining area is connected to the kitchen through this opening. Here you can add 2 or 3 chairs and it will act as the breakfast table. You can also use it as a minibar. The access to the kitchen is on the other side. Let's see the kitchen. Immediately you get to the kitchen, you are welcomed by these dark granite countertops that are done very well. The dark grey tiling all over blends very well with the dark granite countertops. And the white cabinetry contrasts with everything very well, and it gives you the vibe that you always desire. This kitchen comes with a 5-burner cooking stove, and above it you have its hood. Below it you have an oven. Behind me you have the sink area, and it's the single sink but with a tilting faucet. On the opposite side you have an extra cabinetry, and you have this space that has been set aside for your refrigerator. This door opens to the kitchen garden and the laundry area. I'll show you that. The laundry area is here, and you have a space for your washer and dryer. Also, you have an industrial sink. The kitchen garden is from here up to the other side. Let's get back inside. From the kitchen, you have this sink that can be used by everyone who is using the dining area. On my right hand side, you have this area under the stairs, and it can be used as an extra storage or maybe a pantry. Behind me, you have the common bathroom, and this bathroom doubles as the bathroom to the guest bedroom. The bathroom is of a standard size, and it comes with a floating water closet and a showering area. Let me show you the guest bedroom. The guest bedroom is of an average size, and it comes sizable to fit a 4x6 bed like this one. On my right hand side you have the closet of this bedroom, and on the opposite side you have a window. That window is directly opposite to this closet, and it makes it very easy for you to access your clothes during the day. This closet is sliding, average for a normal person, but very well sectioned. From here, I'll take you to the other bedrooms. To access the other 3 bedrooms, you'll have to use the stairs to the upper level. On my left hand side, you have the first bedroom and the shared toilet. On my right hand side, you have the second bedroom and the primary bedroom. And of course, we'll start with the first bedroom. This bedroom is slightly smaller than the guest bedroom that I showed you. The bedroom also comes with a smaller bed and a smaller side drawer. To complement the fun of kids in this bedroom, you have Captain America painted on the walls. This bedroom also comes with a slightly smaller window and a slightly smaller closet. I'll take you to the second bedroom. Before I show you the second bedroom, we will see the shared toilet. The shared bathroom is of a standard size and exactly similar to the one that I showed you in the first level. It comes with a showering area on this side and you have your water closet here. Let's see the second bedroom. The second bedroom is slightly bigger than the first and the guest bedroom, and it comes sizable enough to fit a 5x6 bed like this one or a 6x6 bed. This bedroom comes with a slightly bigger closet, very well partitioned, and very nice color schemes all over. On the opposite side of the closet, you have this massive window that also acts as the access to the balcony. This balcony is of an average size and it extends to the primary bedroom balcony. From here, I'll take you to the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is the biggest, way bigger than any of the 3 bedrooms that I just showed you, and it comes with a dresser on the lower side of the bed. This bedroom comes with a king-size bed, but if you are a feminist, you can also call it a queen-size bed. The bed comes with 2 side drawers, and this space is sufficient for you and your partner. On the other side of the bedroom, you have this massive window that gives you maximum natural light. This door opens to the primary bedroom balcony that joins with the balcony for the second bedroom. On the opposite side of the window, you have a mini walk-in closet and the primary bathroom. Let's see that. This is the mini walk-in closet and it's on both sides of these walls. That means that one part can be used for you and the other part can be used for your partner. This hallway leads to the primary bathroom. The primary bathroom is the biggest compared to the other bathrooms, and it comes with a double vanity setup, a water closet, a showering area, and a bathtub. The shower cubicle here will be installed very soon. This bathroom also comes with a bidet sprayer, and as my friend says, washing is always better. We have come to the end of the tour and I'm very sure you have enjoyed. If you have 22.5 million hidden somewhere, make sure you come and buy these houses immediately because they are going like hotcakes. Thank you for staying tuned and as always, never stop watching. Bye.